To turn on or off app notifications on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is just first go for the settings, and from here you will have to go for the notifications and move into the app notifications. And as you are here, by default you will be able to see like a couple of applications right here because it filters out the most recent apps. So you'll have to press on this text most recent and filter out select all applications. So now we have this list of all applications on your device, and now you can manage comfortably the notifications right here. So to turn on or off these apps notifications, all you have to do is just press any switch next to this particular application you'd like to enable or disable these notifications. So let's say I would like to get notifications from the Drive application, for example, so I have to press the switch to enable these notifications. And additionally, as you go for this application, for this particular application, like right here, you will see that there are some more settings right here which you can manage for these notifications. For other applications, it depends on the application. Some applications have different settings right here, but overall that's how you can turn on and off these app notifications on the Realme C71, just with these switches right next to these applications.